Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put the battery into the DJI Osmo 360. To put the battery in, simply open the door on the left side. Opening them isn't too easy. You need to first slide this switch to the side, then slide the door down. If you have some difficulties with it, feel free to use one hand to slide the switch, then use the other one to gently pull the door downwards. You can use this little notch for it. Now open the door like that, and you can put the battery in. Remember to align the pins with the pins on the inside, so it has to go like that. Now you can simply close the door. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.